Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best espresso machines, you've landed in the perfect spot. Done the research to bring you the best espresso machines options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Discover which espresso machines is the best fit for you. All the product links with the best deals in the description box below. List is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine. Best overall espresso machines. The Breville Barista Express perfectly encapsulates this idea. I mean, one glance is all it takes to see what Breville was going for. There's loads of brushed stainless steel, fancy knobs and buttons, and an impressive-looking pressure gauge on the front. In other words, this looks like something that a pro barista would practice on before going to work and slinging shots for the masses. However, a second look reveals features that help automate espresso preparation, like a built-in grinder and magnetic tamper. Sneering espresso purists might claim this is just a super automatic espresso machine in disguise. Still, there's a lot more to the Breville Barista Express than simply pressing a button and calling it good. In reality, the Barista Express is capable of producing authentic espresso and sublime milk foam. Plus, it offers plenty of control over the brewing process without leaving you feeling overwhelmed. Number 2. Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine. Best mid-range espresso machine. The Bambino Plus is just 7.6 inches wide, which is massively smaller than my huge 17.5-inch La Specialista Opera. True, there are other compact espresso machines, but a lot of these machines sacrifice purity and pressure for size. The Bambino Plus is not one of those machines. It can brew technically perfect espresso that will impress casual coffee drinkers and enthusiasts alike. And on top of that, there's the tiny drip tray that needs emptying after every use. Well, I can put up with that, as I don't desire to have dirty water standing in my house like some kind of coffee swamp anyway. I also had an issue with the static steam wand. It's physically incapable of moving out to the side, so you're stuck steaming milk at a prescribed, uncomfortable angle. Number 3. Longhi Stilosa Espresso Machine. Best premium espresso machine. Longhi is an interesting brand. If I had to make a bet, I'd say that most people starting their espresso hobby begin with a Longhi. On the other hand, most people who stop their espresso journey probably also do it with a Longhi. What I'm trying to say is that this brand is sort of the king of entry-level espresso makers, with everything that entails, from fun and fulfillment to failures and fiascos. Number 4. Breville Barista Touch Espresso Machine. Best premium espresso machine, the Barista Touch, to be a major standout. It's Breville's mid-range flagship machine, its crowning jewel, its pride and joy, whichever analogy you'd prefer. Of course, now you'll want to know more. I ordered the Barista Touch to test out for you. I've spent a bunch of time playing with it recently, and I'm excited to tell you how it went. So if you're looking for easily digestible Breville Barista Touch reviews, look no further. Read the rest of this guide to find out why I'm such a big fan of this fancy espresso machine. There are really only a couple of big differences between these machines, starting with the boiler. While the Oracle Touch is a dual boiler coffee machine, the Barista Touch has a single boiler on board. I'll get into why that matters later on in my Breville Barista Touch review, but for now, just know that it does make a difference. Number 5. Flair Classic Espresso Machine. Best entry-level espresso machine. The Flair Espresso Manual, espresso maker's stylish good looks and minimalist design. I won't bombard you with a bunch of adjectives. Suffice to say, the Flair Classic is going to add a sense of elegance and refinement to your kitchen. In fact, I'd say you'll want to keep this thing out on your counter rather than store it when it's not in use. Featuring a forged aluminum base and solid, weighty stainless steel parts, the Flair Classic is certainly well built. Even so, the espresso maker felt a little wobbly to me once I'd put it together. That said, you are able to permanently attach the lever to the base, which adds a lot of stability. On the flip side, part of the Flair's appeal is its portability. The whole thing can be taken apart and weighs just 5 pounds, 2.3 kilograms. Plus, it comes with an awesome padded travel case. That's all well and good, but there are lots of parts, some quite small and fiddly. Number 6. Philips 3200 LatteGo. Espresso machine. Best budget espresso machine. The Philips 3200 series, fully automatic espresso machine, LatteGo, retails for $775 on Amazon and other major online retailers. You can also purchase it with an aqua clean filter for $817 if you want to save yourself the trouble of having to descale the machine. While the Philips 3200 isn't as flashy as, say, a Smeg or Breville espresso machine, its glossy black finish with chrome-like trim is attractive and won't detract from your kitchen's aesthetic. The face of the machine features 6 buttons for selecting your beverage: espresso, cappuccino, macchiato, americano, coffee, and hot water, alongside buttons that let you customize the size and strength of the coffee, as well as the amount of steamed milk. Below these controls is a spout that dispenses the coffee. Cleverly, number 7, Breville Oracle Jet Espresso Machine. Best espresso machines. White grinder, the new Breville Oracle Jet looks almost exactly the same as the Oracle Touch. However, look a little closer and it's clear that Breville has made a few tweaks. The most obvious difference is that the touchscreen is clearer and has a dark background. What's more, the machine looks a little more compact and streamlined. Still, clocking in at almost 27 pounds, 12 kilograms, the Breville Oracle Jet is pretty bulky. Plus, you'll need plenty of counter space in your kitchen. With that said, at least you won't need additional space for a Burr coffee grinder. Anyway, Breville has included a really neat locking wheel system that allows you to easily move the machine around. At this point, I should also mention the Breville Oracle Jet's huge 77-ounce, 1.3-liter water reservoir. It pulls out from the rear of the machine, but you're also able to add water via a neat little door at the front. Overall, the Oracle Jet is immediately recognizable as a Breville product. Number 8. Rocket Appartamento Espresso Machine. Best Premium Espresso Machine. The Rocket Appartamento is highly regarded by experts and users as a solid, well-built prosumer espresso machine that offers cafe-quality espresso and excellent steaming power in a compact, stylish design. While the original version lacks some modern features like a PID, the newer Appartamento TCA model has addressed these concerns. Number 9. Longhi Dinamica Plus Espresso Machine. Best Automatic Espresso Machine. The Longhi Dinamica Plus quickly started garnering rave reviews in the United States. It's easy to see why. The original Dinamica performed admirably, but just felt kind of old-fashioned and clunky. In the meantime, Jura was releasing seriously beautiful and high-performing machines in quick succession. With that said, not everyone can afford a Jura coffee machine. Number 10. Terra Kaffe TK02 Espresso Machine. Best Smart Espresso Machine. The TK02 is a mid-range machine at $1,599 or 999 pounds. Double the $799 price tag of its predecessor, the TK01. The TK02 is a better-built machine loaded with more features like app compatibility, drip coffee, and a precision metal milk frothing dial. That's definitely not cheap, like the compact espresso makers that cost under $300. Still, it is nowhere near as pricey as the $3,000 models, which still require you to control temperature and pressure. It comes in 2 matte colorways, either black or white, and after removing the TK02 from the box, I couldn't help but compare it to one of the best gaming PCs sitting in our office at any given time. Its rectangular computer tower-like body drops backward, complete with knobs, transparent hoppers, and a large 5-inch touchscreen. The minimalist, matte white aesthetic looks premium. Even better, the straightforward screen-based menu system and lack of excessive buttons